Today we are going to read another story from Oxford Read and Imagine. Hello, my name is Rosie. Hello, my name is Ben. This is Grandpa. Hello. Now, let's read this story 1, 2, 3. Grandpa, Rosie, and Ben go to the park. In the park, there's a big pond. How many fish can you see in the water? 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 fish in the water. How many ducks can you see in the water? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 ducks on the water. How many green frogs can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5 green frogs. I can see 6 frogs. There are 5 frogs in the pond. And there's 1 frog on your head, Grandpa.